Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and spicy app to your Firestick totally free of charge. First of all, what you gotta do is get the app code downloader to your device. You can actually get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. So just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you get the downloader, it's actually not over yet, because we still need to set it up. So to set up the downloader on your device, what you have to do is go to settings, so click on that button with a gear icon, then you need to scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, all you have to do is just locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. You open it and there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Luxembourg right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Or alternatively, if you don't want to use NordVPN, you can also use IPVanish instead. It is another really decent VPN provider. They are a bit cheaper than Nord, and we also do have a discount code for them as well in a pinned comment of this video or in the description of this video. So it is up to you to decide. It's either NordVPN or IPVanish. And then let's open the loader application on your device. And after it loads, on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home. That's important. And after you have clicked on Home, in the search bar, we need to start entering the code. So it's gonna be 863078. Once again, 863078. That is the code that you need to enter. Then you have to click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, as you can see, the download has already started. Usually takes only a couple of seconds, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you need to click on install and just wait until the app finally installs on your Fire TV stick. And now when the app was installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick does not really have too much of free space on it anyway. And then, if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is located right here, we open it, and then there's the app that we have just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.